Hello guys, myself Vivek Pandey and welcome to my channel. Now we are going to see the series we are discussing about the series of problem solving in Java. Yes, yeah. So now in this we are also going to discuss our third problem. Okay, so let's see what is our third problem. Actually, yeah, so the third problem is write a program to remove, yes, remove the duplicates, or we can say yes, to eliminate the duplicates from a given array. So whenever we have an array, from that we have to remove those duplicates. And here the input is, we are taking one input, one array, and the numbers are, we have, yes, remove or eliminate the duplicates. It means what? Unique values we need to find out from that. So now one more thing is sorted array. So we have to remove or eliminate the duplicate elements from where? From the sorted array. It is not like a random array. So here we can see the inputs like 3 comma 3 comma 4 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6, and then we have one more 7 comma 8 comma 8. Fine. So now this is what a given array is. Now what would be the output for this, guys? So whatever the repeating number of elements, that we should not consider, we should get a unique out of it. So though it is multiple times it is present in the array, but what we wanted is just a unique value. See here. So out of this, what will be my output here? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So what is the meaning of this? The meaning is, we want, what exactly we want here? Yeah, the output is unique values, no repeated things, nothing. So it is a unique value we have to find out from a sorted array, and this is how we are done. Yeah guys, so here I'm just helping you out with a paint. In this paint, what I have taken is, I have drawn one array with the name just array it is, and inserted some elements here, and I'm just taking one more duplicate array for this. Here indexes I'm keeping, and one more array here, temporary array, in by which is going to help me out to check, to help, this is going to help me out, this temporary variable, to solve this problem. So now I'm going to discuss that how we are going to help, how this temporary array is going to help me out. Yeah guys, so what we are doing here is, first I'm just not going with the first index, I'm starting with the one first in 0th index. I'm not considering, I'm considering what? The first index of the array. Okay, because in this temporary variable I'm just going to store the first element, and for that one pointer I'm taking, and that pointer is rd. I can take anything, but rd I kept. Remove duplicate, that is one of the variable where I'm storing, that will be my pointer. It is, so it is initially I need to take rd in the first position of the temp. So that 3, whatever the 3 is there, or whatever the first element in the array is there, that I need to copy. Where I need to copy? In the temp. Okay, because one element, the first element or whatever it is a single, right? It's not a duplicate. So that we are considering it as the first element, and as it is a sorted, so we don't have that issue of unsorting. So we just copied that first one to this. So how we can do that? In order to do that, we can have that rd, like temp of rd. Inside that I'm storing what? Array of 0. Yeah, so what I have done is I have taken that zeroth element of the array into this. So up to here we have done. Now, yes guys, now what I have to do here is in the first index, zeroth index of the temp, it is 3 is already there, and we are starting our I from a first index, so we are just comparing 3, this 3 and that 3 both are same, right? So when both are same, no need to store it another 3 in the temp array, temporary array. See, 3 and 3 both are matching. So when both are matching, if it is not equal, then we can store it in the temp temp array. So both are same, so we no need to store there. No, we are not storing. Now what we have to do, now that pointer, whatever the I pointer we have, that pointer we have to move forward, because my I have to move traverse, right? It has to traverse from 4 5 like this. Now what happens is, now whenever my I came to this, increases till when it came to 4, when the pointer increases of the I pointer, now 3 and 4 both are same. No, they both are not same, right? The 4 is not there in the temp, so both are not same. When both are not same, it means there is no duplicate. So that element I can store to the next in the temp. Yeah, that is what the funda it is. Very simple, guys. Just try to understand it is. So 3, 4 and 3 both are not same. So what I will do is I will just copy the same 4 in my temp variable, in my temporary array. So that's what it is happening. Yeah, so now what I will do is, when I have to store that 4 here, now I need to increase the RD, right? RD position I need to give, because already in the RD of 0 it is 3 is there. So I need to make a position where I can store the array which is coming from that array into the duplicate array, this temporary array. So I am increasing the RD pointer, and now of that whatever the 4 is there, that 4 I can store in the temp array. So what I'm doing here, whenever the condition is correct, whenever the condition is what, 3 and 4 both are not same. So when both are not same, RD I'm increasing, RD plus plus means RD is increased. Now what is happening, whenever the RD increases, then I'm just I'm storing the value there in the temp. Now I got 3 and 4. See here, now once again we are checking with the next one. I will increase again till 5 it went, and 4 and 5 both are same. Both are not same. So both are not the same. It means in the temp we don't have that 5 already. So what I have to do, that RD value I have to increase the RD position. RD will increase and the 5 is getting stored. 5 will be stored in the second index. So same simple it is. First increase the RD when the condition is correct, increase the RD, and then store the address, store the element of the array. That's what it is happening. See here. So now the RD came to the second index, and now I'm going to copy. Yes, I'm copying my 5 and I'm pasting it here. So that's it. This is one of the iteration it is. Now same thing, again we are increasing the i's position, I plus plus. Yes, now again we are going to check with the temp, is this 5 is already there in the temp? So both are matching, right? Both are there, it is already there. So when both are there, the condition is we don't require, right? So when it is both are there, it is fine. What we have to do is we need to increase the I to the next position, because already 5 is there. So what is the benefit of storing the same thing, because we are removing the duplicate here. So now whatever the pointer is there, that pointer we have to increase, and we have to take that pointer towards the 6. So once we are taking the pointer towards the 6, now we have to compare it. Now what we have to compare? 5 and 6 both are same. Yes, both are not same this time. So when both are not same, it means what? I need to increase my RD. Yes, both are not same. Now I have to increase the RD's position. The pointer will point, it will come towards the third index, and then I can store the 6. Yes, so see here. Now the same thing, I'm just giving a position for that here. Now when I got all the unique values, now I need to traverse my RD, right? Like I need to traverse the loop to get the exact all those numbers. So from where to where I need to traverse till RD. So RD is pointing to the 6, like the third index. So it means what? RD plus 1 we can say, or RD is less than equal to. In that way we can take those elements. So till RD I need to traverse. RD plus 1 we can say that. So that is what the point I'm saying here. So now what we'll do is, now we are going to code our code in this. Now I'm just taking a name, remove duplicate, and then this is my Eclipse main method, and then I'm going to create a array, and I'm passing some random the same values, but it is a sorted one. And then what I have to take here, a temporary array I need to take with the size of same array which I have taken here. Now what I need to take? Yes, RD, and then from where I need to start this loop? From 1, because in the 0 already we are storing. Yeah, in the if condition we have to give, what is the condition? Not equal to, right? So temp RD is not equal to I. Yes. Now if it is not equal to, then increase the position of RD and store the array of I into temp of, yes, RD of temp. Yeah. Now we need to display the, what we have to display? Till RD we need to display the elements traverse till RD. Now I am done. Now let me execute and check whether it is working or not. See, it is working, but I'm getting what? 0 also is getting included. Now why 0 is getting included? Because we have already said that we are going to store the first element of the array into a temp, that we have missed. Now you see, now it will work really good. So now let's see. Yes, we are getting it. So what is so we have solved this problem, and we got our output also. Now once again, so all these are unique values, no duplicates. So duplicate is removed, and we have successfully achieved this. Yeah, so guys, we got the right solution in this, no duplicates. But the problem here is we are using one extra array. So it means what? Time complexity. So it is not an optimal solution. So in order to check the optimal solution, stay tuned, and yeah, in the next video, in the next question, the fourth question will be that only related to this. So once you watch this video, then you will be understanding that fourth one. So till then, I wanted you all to stay tuned. Thank you guys.